Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by assembling facts you'll need for a safe conversation. Bring a current med list, recent drug doses, and a 2-week blood pressure log so your clinician sees patterns. Explain why you want to change and tell them about side effects or falls. Do not stop any drug on your own. That creates risk. Once done, schedule a focused appointment and ask what tests or information they need before any decision is made. Next, the clinician reviews your risks, current control, and labs. This determines whether a change is reasonable. Together you discuss lifestyle steps that may reduce reliance on drugs and alternative therapies if appropriate. Make sure to get a clear, individualized plan: what to change, when to recheck, and what readings or symptoms would prompt restarting medication. Ask questions until you understand the rationale and the expected timeline. This shared decision prevents surprises. When a change is agreed, follow the plan precisely and keep detailed logs of blood pressure and symptoms. If readings stay within agreed targets, your clinician will guide next steps. If numbers rise or symptoms appear, contact your clinician immediately. If severe signs occur, seek emergency care. Troubleshooting tip: if home readings are inconsistent, verify cuff size and technique, and bring your monitor to an appointment so a clinician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.